people were really frantically looking everywhere, whether it was Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, right, for information. So how could we actually give a single point for people to access information? And initially, we actually started by manually servicing this request, but this just was not scalable. And we figured that the chatbot was the best way to go. So we'd never built a chatbot before, and we had to enlist help of organizations like Engati and Freshworks, who pitched in with resources to help us get this off the ground. So the bot kind of works like a two-side marketplace. So on one hand, it's giving people relevant information, and on the other, it is helping suppliers update availability of oxygen, medicines, other critical care resources in real time.